All right, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It has been an absolute journey getting here. I don't know if we're gonna dive into any more truck content. We're just about really done with the truck stuff other than OBS. But as you can see, I have my 1978 Banana Offshore boat, which is the exact hull. That's the 24-foot cigarette hull that came from Aronow back in 78. And we have the Baja Outlaw right there. So you know, the Baja Outlaw is a 20-foot. The Banana Man is 24 feet, and we have a lot to do to this boat right here. Have some big plans for it. I just kind of want to tap back in with you guys. I know it's been a minute, and just kind of wanted to get something out there just to kind of get everybody up to speed on the channel. So I have new interior that's going to be going in the Baja, and I just got it serviced. So once I get the interior back, we'll be ready for the season. And starting May, we're going to get the aluminum fuel tank re-welded, set in place, get the floor put in. We still have to set up the rigging. Well, not the rigging, but it's a whole lot we gotta do. It's a lot we gotta do. I will drop a video that shows like how the boat looks on the inside and everything, so y'all can see the current situation with the boat. I'm not gonna uncover it right now because it's a lot. But yeah, I'll show you guys that real quick, and stay tuned. Y'all check in with me. Drop a comment if you're still watching the channel. Like I said, I got a lot more content that I want to put out on the boats. So yeah, start looking forward to the boating content, and let's get some content back going on the channel. All right, guys. All right, so I said I wasn't gonna go ahead and show you guys the boat, but here I am showing you. You see the Banana Man on the side. This boat has a lot of history. It comes from a line of fast hulls that was built by Charlie McCarthy. Boat was originally rigged with twin outboards, which was not common for a late 70s, early 80s boat. Those boats usually had big block, small block, inboard, outboards. I do have to put the fuel tank back in, pull new fuel lines, got to put the floor in. So, you know, it is absolutely a project. It is absolutely a build from beginning to end. You see, that's where the back bench would be, right there. The helm right here. I need to take that helm and get it mocked up because I want to do away with the small gauges and do like a full digital screen. So I've been doing some research on that and placement on that. And yeah, I got to get the cabin right. You know, I got to get the floor in. Spider cracks through the hole. So to the person I take it to get the transom rebuilt, I'll have him fill the spider cracks. You see there's flaws in the black, so I would just do a complete repaint. Repaint the deck, repaint the side, repaint the bottom of the boat. Go back with the original yellow with the white Banana Man. You see the purple Baja. We're currently waiting on the interior to get back for it and getting this waxed next weekend. But these are the boats, guys. This right here is what the channel is about to be about: restoring a 24-foot offshore race boat, race hull, a hull with heritage, a hull that has won a championship. Let's do it, guys.